Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Yes, beta, welcome back for economics. So, now today we are going to start our chapter number 9, and here is chapter number 9. Yes, chapter number 9, and the chapter name is Problem of Deficient Demand and Excess Demand. Okay, this is the chapter name, and this is the last chapter of this unit. It means third unit is going to end. This is the third chapter. Seventh chapter was the first chapter in this unit, then 8th chapter, and third is 9th, that is problem of deficient demand and excess demand. And dear student, one 6 mark question possibility from this chapter is also, it means all three chapters having one important topic that consists 6 marks. In the chapter 7, derivation of S function from C function was a 6 mark question. Okay, and in chapter number 9, the money investment multiplier for the 6 mark question can be asked, or two approaches, AD and AS approach can be asked for 6 marks. And from this chapter, deficient and excess demand, their consequence, their solution, problems, measures can be asked for 6 marks questions. Okay, so don't worry, we will complete this chapter very soon, and then you will be understand the meaning of each and every point. Okay, so let's proceed for the topic. So dear student, yes, so here are the learning objectives. First is some essential concept. It means full employment equilibrium, underemployment equilibrium, voluntary, involuntary, full employment and natural employment हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे. Okay, then problem of deficient demand, this is the very important topic, and problem of deficient demand, and the last is measures to correct deficient and excess demand. अब deficient demand suppose economy में है and there is a excess demand also, but how we will just find the solution from both kind of problems. Measures means solutions. Okay, so now this is a very important topic. So now beta start with the today's topic, that is, yes, so today the first is full employment equilibrium. Yes, dear students, so what is full employment equilibrium? Full employment equilibrium means that aggregate demand equals to aggregate supply. It means AD equals to AS at full employment. It means जितनी कैपेसिटी है इकोनॉमी में, वी आर यूजिंग 100%. जितने लोग काम करना चाह रहे हैं, काम करने के लिए एफिशिएंट है, उनको काम मिला हुआ है, दैट इज एग्रीगेट डिमांड इक्वल्स टू एग्रीगेट सप्लाई. इट मीन्स डिमांड फॉर लेबर इक्वल्स टू सप्लाई फॉर लेबर. डिमांड फॉर लेबर इक्वल्स टू सप्लाई ऑफ लेबर, दैट इज एग्रीगेट डिमांड इक्वल्स टू एग्रीगेट सप्लाई. Okay, so the next is underemployment. So dear student, underemployment means that AD equals to AS, but it is not with the sufficient point. It is not with the sufficient point that DL equals to SL. Okay, it means demand for labor is not equals to supply for labor. हो सकता है सप्लाई ज़्यादा होगी, डिमांड कम होगी, so डिमांड को देखते हुए सप्लाई को एडजस्ट किया जा रहा है. इट मीन्स कंडीशन तो डेफिशिट डिमांड है, बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वॉलेंट्री एंड इनवॉलेंट्री अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. वॉलेंट्री मीन्स दैट पीपल आर नॉट रेडी टू वर्क एट गिवन वेज रेट. ओके, इट मीन्स काम मिला है बट दे आर नॉट रेडी टू वर्क एट गिवन वेज रेट. सो इट मीन्स दिस इज वॉलेंट्री अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अब आप इसे कैसे समझ सकते हैं? द सिंपल पॉइंट इज दैट वॉलेंट्री अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मीन्स दैट देर इज अ पर्सन हैविंग द B.Ed degree, okay, and he or she is capable to teach the 12th class student also, but because of the lack of experience and because of any reason he is taking the first class, he or she is taking first class, and the salary demanding for the 30,000, but now he is taking only 10,000 एज क्लास इज लोअर. तो इट मीन्स उसकी कैपेसिटी के अकॉर्डिंग उसे काम नहीं मिला है, सो ही इज़ नॉट रेडी टू डू दैट टास्क. वो उस काम को करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. काम है बट इट इज़ नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द एफिशिएंसी, सो वो काम नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज़ वॉलेंट्री अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. तो अगेन द मीनिंग इज व्हेन पीपल आर नॉट रेडी टू वर्क एट गिवन वेज रेट. उन्हें काम मिला बट वेज रेट को देखते हुए वो काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. दैट इज वॉलेंट्री अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अब इनवॉलेंट्री जस्ट अपोजिट. पीपल आर रेडी टू वर्क एट गिवन वेज रेट. लोग काम करना चाहते हैं इवन दो दे आर नॉट गेटिंग वर्क, लेकिन उन्हें काम ही नहीं मिल रहा है. दैट इज इनवॉलेंट्री unemployment. Clear dear students. So today in this video we have complete only 2 points, full employment equilibrium, second underemployment equilibrium, voluntary, and next is involuntary unemployment we have completed. So write the notes about all 4 types of equilibrium and unemployment. Tomorrow onward we will start our new topic and be continue with the point. Dear students, study regularly, and beta for the query session, for the doubt session, you can ask me questions. You can call me personally. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. timing is given in your time schedule, and follow the time schedule accordingly. Okay dear student, so beta stay blessed, stay safe at home.